Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a Bluey Fairy. I'm going to use markers that match the color of the fairy. So to begin, I'm going to use a purple marker and we're going to go in an upward motion, looping it around like an N. So I'm going to start in the middle of the page, going up and around. A little curved line here, that's the fairy's hair. And then I'm going to continue going downward to finish the fairy's head. Let's start drawing the fairy's arms. I'm going to start from where I left off on the bottom of her head, making a curved shape. That curved shape right there. Now I'm going to make another line just like that, again over here, giving it some space. Then make some wavy lines, 1, 2, 3, for her tiny little fingers. I'm going to do the same thing again on the other side, curve shape, make another curve shape, and little bumpy lines for her fingers, 1, 2, 3, and connecting it. So this fairy makes an appearance on Bluey, making mischief around Bluey's house. So let's get her eyes. We're going to make a oval shape, big oval shape, going up, around, and I'm going to leave a little space right here because we're going to put her nose there. And let's get that nose by making a tiny little circle on the bottom here, and I'm going to color it in. I know it's a weird place for a nose. And let's make the line a curved line that is for her nose. It looks so weird right now. I promise it won't in a second. We're going to make another oval shape for the inside of the eye. I'm going to go more towards the right. So making the line going down and curve it around, connecting it to the nose and the eye. And then another tiny oval shape on the top. I'm going to color it in a little bit just so you can see what I'm doing. You can wait to color yours in if you like, or you can color in now with me. I'm going to make the other eye now, another oval shape. And make the inside of the eye oval shape. Lots of ovals. And another tiny oval shape. And again, coloring it in quickly, just so you can see what it looks like. Let's get some eyelashes on their fairy. I'm going to put 1, 2 cute little lines, 3 on the bottom, 1, 2, 3 on the other side. Make that one a little longer. Let's start drawing her wings. So I'm going to start from the middle of her head right here, bringing it up. And then I'm going to make another line connecting it from her bangs. There's one wing. Fixing it up a little bit. I'm going to make the same wing on the other side. Another curve shape going up. And bringing it back down right here. Just going to fix that line up really quick. Let's make some lines in the inside of the wing. So we're going to make parallel lines right next to the top side of her wing right here. And make another curved line on the other side to match. Get right in there. So I'm going to grab a pink marker and make her wings. That has a N shape going up, around, and down. Very thin. And connecting it again, making it go sideways this time. And I'm going to do it to the other side. So let's make that big one, curving up and down, and make a tinier wing going outward, out and in. And I'm going to quickly touch up these lines so that the wings look a little bit darker. I have a raspberry marker right here, and we're going to make a curved line. The fairy has some sort of straps to hold maybe her wings. And we're going to make another curved line right here, and do the same thing onto the other side. Right there, curved line, and one more parallel to that. Super. I'm going to grab a green crayon to make the domino. So making a horizontal in the inside of her arms, and then another horizontal line on the bottom of her fingers because she's leaning up against it, and a vertical line to connect it because we want to make this domino look three-dimensional. And I'll make another vertical line going down, and I'm going to curve it around, make another line up here. There we go. Our domino is complete. I'm just making it a little bit darker. Grab a black marker to make the dots of a domino. So in a domino, there's a line that usually divides those dots. I'm going to put one dot here, but you can make more if you like, and make 5 dots on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, making a total of 6 dots. Fairy is complete. It is ready to get colored in. You can use markers, color pencils. Crayons would be kind of hard, but you could try it. I hope you had fun drawing Bluey's fairy, and I hope she pays you a visit. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.